you've seen it operating and then it's gone in, and then the next day you're like, oh wow, yeah, that's clearly been out, and yeah, the lawn just now looks at a constant state of like a nice cut lawn, which is ideal. It's freed up time, definitely. I might now find on a Friday I'll just do a little bit of strimming, so it's actually freed up the opportunity to do more things as well, not just in the garden, but as a bonus we can spend more time on the gardening as well. So that's definitely benefited yeah, our appearance of how the garden looks, especially in summertime. I thought it might require a lot more of my time, but actually it hasn't really. It's been great, just let it go and go off on and do its thing, which is again brilliant, because then it just frees up one less thing to worry about, one less thing to have to think you've got to go do. So that's been the biggest surprise, yeah. And yeah, it's become a little bit of a personality where, yeah, you feel a bit bad when it's raining and it's out there working hard, or it's still like 8 o'clock at night and you think, oh, it's still on its shift. So yeah, it's definitely become a little bit of part of the family, definitely.